In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to create and send your first message campaign. Once you have logged in and opened our SMS tool, the first thing you'll see is the Send Now tab opened. From here, you can send your messages to all of your clients. Let's review all the steps for how to launch your first campaign. The first step is picking your sender's ID. You can choose among all the names and phones that you already have, or create a new one. This time, let's create a new one. Press on the Add Sender's Name link and proceed. You can choose between mobile phone numbers and any name or number you have. If you choose the first one, when your clients will receive messages from you, they will see your phone number. To add the phone number, you'll need to input your phone number on which you will receive a 5-digit verification code. After the verification, you're ready to use your number. If you want your shop's name or any other text written as a sender's ID, choose the second option. Sender's name can have a maximum of 11 symbols and a minimum of 3 symbols. It's important to note that all mobile operators do not support national characters in sender ID. That's why we strongly recommend that you only use Latin characters and/or figures. You will also be asked to provide some additional information about your sender's ID, because it will need to go through verification. You will receive an email when your name has been verified. Once you're done with sender's ID, let's move to contacts. There are 3 main ways to import contacts. Enter them manually, choose from the existing group, or import them from your lists. Let's start by entering your contacts manually. First, select the country of the numbers you plan to add. Then, simply write all of the numbers in the field and press Add. If you have a list of numbers you need to add, then you can quickly do that by pasting them here as well. You can also click the box to autocorrect all of the numbers. Our tool will automatically check if all the numbers are correct and have that country code in them. If not, it will be added. If you want to add some numbers from other countries, simply choose the other country and do the same as for the first country. Moving on to the groups. Here, you can select any previously used or created group and send them your messages. You can also create a new group from here. But for now, let's move on. The last option you can choose is to import your numbers from a list. Just click Browse and upload any Excel file with your numbers in them. All of your numbers should be in one column. Let's import our file and proceed. Now that we have imported our contacts, let's go to the message text. We've made it easy for you to use different placeholders from your imported Excel files. You can see that we have imported our file, including not only numbers, but names of our recipients as well. This way, we can write Dear and then just press on the B. Now, it will automatically include the name of the recipient if available. This is a great way to get more personal with your customer. If you choose Remove Diacritics, all non-Latin letters will be changed to equivalent Latin letters. You can also add an opt-out option for your customers. Just check the box and select the language, and the link to the opt-out site will be added. We would advise you to always include it if you're sending marketing messages. It's important to note that one message has 160 characters, and if you reach the limit, the message you will send will count as 2 or more. Below the box, you can see how many characters and messages you'll be sending. After you've written your message, you can choose whether you want to send them immediately or schedule them for later. Just pick a time that is best for you and proceed to naming your campaign. Once you're done naming your campaign, you can proceed to send your message or save it to drafts. Our tool will filter all the unavailable numbers and duplicates for you, because we don't want you to pay for messages that you don't want to send. After everything is done, you will see a summed up version of your campaign. Here, you can edit campaigns, or if you're happy with the result, you can send a test message to yourself, or hit Send Messages, and your campaign will be sent right away. If you want to send your messages later, just schedule them. You may see all scheduled campaigns in the Schedule tab. In the Drafts tab, you will see all the campaigns saved as a draft. Thank you for learning with Vertex SMS. If you don't already have an account, you can create one by visiting www.vertexsms.com and completing the registration form.